Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a lead magnet with Mailchimp landing page. First, log into your account. Once in, on the left side, go to Campaigns. Here, click on the Create button at the top right. Then, go and choose Landing Page as we need to create one first. Now, type in a name for it, choose an audience, and click on the Begin button. Here, you can select a template based on your liking, then click on the Accept button. Now it will bring you to the page editor where you can customize your landing page to your liking. You can add a logo for it by uploading one, and you can also go and customize its elements and add in or delete however you want. You can also change its contents to your liking. You can also go to Style and change its colors based on your branding. But once done, click on Save and Close at the bottom. Then, click again on it at the bottom right. Once you've created it, we will not publish it yet as we will first need to make the automation for the lead magnet. So on the left panel, go to Automations section. Now, on the top right, click on Choose Flow Template. Then, scroll down and here, you can choose Email Tag Customers. Now, on the top right, click on Use this flow. First, you will select a tag. Here, you can select a made one or create one if you don't have yet. Once done, click on Save Trigger. Now, for the delay, you can go and delete it if you'd like to. Now it's time to create an email. Here, you can change the recipient and the sender, also the subject of that email. You can also go and schedule it if you'd like to. Now it's time to design it, so go ahead and select a template for it. Here, you can select a template based on your liking, so choose one. Now, you can customize it based on your liking. You can change its contents and as well as its elements. But once done, go and click on Save at the top right. After that, you can go and create another email for the second contact. But first, you can delete this delay if you'd like to. Then proceed on creating the email. You can change its recipient and select a template for it. You can go and select the same template for the first one and customize it again to your liking. Once done, click the Save button at the top right. Once done on creating those email, you can now go and run this automation by clicking on it on the top right. But first, you need to upgrade your account or plan. But once you've upgraded it, you can now simply run the automation. Once done, you can go back to your Mailchimp dashboard. Now let's proceed on publishing your landing page. So go to Campaigns section on the left panel. Here, you can now see your automation and your landing page. To publish it, click on the drop-down arrow beside it, then select on Publish. Now, scroll down and here, you can set it up with an automation. Then, you can go and select the automation you've made once you've run it through your upgraded account. Once done, on selecting the automation, you can now see that your landing page is now published. And that's just basically it. That's how you create a lead magnet with Mailchimp landing page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.